Hey everyone! Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the ultimate game changer in mobile technology. Welcome to the future with Galaxy AI at your fingertips. Built for creativity, productivity, and endless possibilities. Let's dive into why this is the smartphone of the future. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a masterpiece. With a stunning titanium frame for unmatched durability and scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla armor, it's as tough as it is stylish. With flat edges for a premium grip and a minimalist design, it's built to impress. Precision crafted down to the last millimeter, this is a smartphone that feels as good as it looks. Don't forget its stunning display. The 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz refresh rate is perfect for smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. With a peak brightness of 2600 nits, you'll see everything clearly, even in direct sunlight. And with HDR10, your content will look more vibrant than ever. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers an unrivaled display experience. Your content always looks stunning. Meet Galaxy AI, your new mobile assistant. With Galaxy AI, your phone becomes smarter than ever before. Galaxy AI Zoom uses deep learning to provide seamless zooming. ProVisual upgrades your photos, recognizing objects, enhancing colors, and reducing noise in an instant. You can easily adjust the size, change backgrounds, and move objects around in your images with ease, all thanks to Galaxy AI. It's not just a phone, it's a mobile powerhouse. Talking about the camera, the Galaxy S24 Ultra redefines mobile photography with a powerful 200-megapixel wide-angle lens, 2x optical quality zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel lens with 5x and 10x optical quality zoom, a 10-megapixel lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel front-facing selfie camera for stunning shots from every angle. Capture the extraordinary with the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 200-megapixel ProGrade camera system. Whether it's 100x AI zoom for faraway scenes or stunning Super HDR for night photography, this camera makes every moment unforgettable. Let's know about the colors. Choose from 7 premium titanium finishes: titanium blue, titanium green, titanium orange, titanium gray, titanium black, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. Each color features a sleek, modern look, designed to match your style. Whether you prefer bold, vibrant tones or elegant, subtle shades, the S24 Ultra has something for everyone. And we can't forget about the S Pen. The Galaxy S24 Ultra brings back the legendary S Pen with a new twist. Write, tap, and navigate with pinpoint accuracy on the flat 6.8-inch display. Circle to search, just circle something on your screen, and instantly search for it on Google. No more typing, just a quick gesture. Galaxy Note Assist makes note-taking easier than ever. Simply write your ideas, and Galaxy AI will turn them into clear summaries, keeping your thoughts organized. The Galaxy S24 Ultra offers powerful storage options, with choices ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. No matter how many photos, videos, or apps you store, there's plenty of space for everything you need. Thanks to UFS 4.0 technology, files open and transfer at lightning speed, ensuring smooth performance even with large files. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a serious punch. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, this phone is faster, more efficient, and better than ever. The 41% improved NPU brings next-level intelligence to every task. 30% more powerful GPU means smoother graphics and stunning visuals, perfect for gaming. And with 8K video recording and ray tracing, you'll enjoy the most realistic mobile gaming experience ever. The Galaxy S24 Ultra keeps you going all day long. With its 5000 mAh battery, you won't have to worry about running out of power. Watch videos for up to 30 hours. Listen to music for up to 95 hours. And when it's time to charge, the 45-watt wired charging gets you 65% charge in just 30 minutes. Not to mention 15-watt wireless charging and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging, so you can even charge other devices. Talking about its durability, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is built to withstand the toughest conditions, thanks to its upgraded titanium frame and Corning Gorilla armor glass. With an IP68 rating, it's water and dust resistant, ready for any adventure. Whether it's a rainy day or a dusty hike, your phone stays protected. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is as tough as it is beautiful. Stay connected with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Whether it's Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, or NFC, this phone has you covered with the latest connectivity options. From its sleek design and AI-powered features to the unrivaled camera and performance, this is the phone you've been waiting for. If you like this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Step into the future with Galaxy S24 Ultra.